What's the meaning of colophon? Colophon. Colophon.
Colophon. Colophon. A colophon is a brief statement often found at the end of a book or manuscript that provides information about its production. It typically includes details such as the title, author, publisher, printer, and date of publication, as well as any other relevant information about the production process. Colophons can provide valuable insights into the history and culture of the time period in which they were created and are often studied by historians and literary scholars. Overall, a colophon serves as a kind of signature for the work, providing important contextual information for readers and researchers alike.